Hey everyone, it's Emily. I'm back, and today I'm going to set up the next week in my traveler's notebook and decorate my insert for October 8th through the 14th. Okay, we are jumping right into this business. I picked out papers that I kind of liked before I sat down so that we wouldn't take 59 years. Those vellum covers that say monthly and weekly are from a shop on Etsy that I will link below. Somebody asked me, and they're super cute, and I got them a couple years ago, so I'll link that down below. I don't know if she still sells them, but I really like them. I'm just outlining the shape of my traveler's notebook on this piece of paper so that I can use it as a background. I got a couple of these pieces of cardstock on the clearance rack, and I just thought they were really, really pretty fall colors. And for like 20 cents, I thought, well, you can't go wrong with that. So I'm trimming it up, and I'm going to glue it down there using my glue stick. I really, really want to try one of those tape guns, you know, where you just run the little tape along, kind of like one of those whiteout runners. But those always mess up for me, so I don't know if I would get along with the tape one any better. Everyone always seems to do pretty well with them. I decided to glue together a couple of pages in between each week because it was kind of bleeding through, and I thought it just would make it sturdier. And also so that this notebook, this sounds weird, wouldn't last as long because I know it's going to get thick and I will want to change because I just know myself. So I did decide to do that, and I'm happy with that decision so far. So I'm just writing October in my sort of cheaty hand lettering. I'm kind of trying to add some more bounce to my hand lettering, so I'm going sort of above and below like the midline where you would have all of your letters sit so that it looks kind of like that bouncy hand lettering. And I think it's cute. And then I just go in with a calligraphy pen. Well, it's what's the brand? I think it's a Tombow pen, and then just thicken up the downstrokes. You guys have heard me talk about that ad nauseum. So basically, that's all you have to do to cheat the hand lettering. And then I have this really cute fall sort of floral, and that is from a little tiny pack that I got from Tuesday Morning that's like kind of fall colored cardstock scrapbooky papers. And then that navy plaid is from the same one, and that little beige cute house is from the Webster's Pages paper crafting kit or whatever, or is that Paper Stories? I can't remember. I can link it down below. And then that little houndstooth washi is just a fun, I thought it looked fall-y, so put that on there too. And these stickers you saw last time from that Heidi Swap Stories kit that had a bunch of stickers with the numbers and stuff. I also got that at Tuesday Morning, and it had all of these sayings like in the green, so I just stuck some of them on. I think it's fine. It's okay. I also used some leaves from another sticker pack that I used a ton this summer, my Bloom Daily sticker pack. I know you guys haven't heard about that one in an age, so I'm just writing in my to-do on that little sticker down there. I thought it was so cute that it looked kind of like a file folder. And then this week I'm doing something different because I know my little flags from Erin Condren aren't going to last forever.
I'm so sad.
And I can't reorder the ones that I want. So this week I tried writing in all of my appointments in pen. I really like a medium to kind of thick tip pen. I just write better with them. It's easier for me. And then I decided to color code using my Mildliners, and I really liked the way that it worked. Gave me the same effect as the flags, and nothing smeared. I did use my Sakura Micro Perm pen in the .03 or .3, something like that. It came in a pack from Amazon with a .1, .3, and .5. and the 0.1 is way too tiny and scratchy for me. But if you're one of those little tiny writing people, you would probably love it. But I do like the bigger ones.
How many jokes can this channel make about thicker tips?
I never will have enough of those jokes, just to keep it 100 with you. So, and then I'm adding in some coffee cup and some more appointments for the week. Appointments. I say that with my little air quotes. They're not really appointments. But anyway, I do like the color coding with the Mildliners, and I'm just putting in a couple of cute stickers from that Bloom, Carpe Diem Bloom sticker pack. And that'll wrap it up. That's the rest for this week. I'm so thankful to you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment.